Mhm. Hi, this is Patty from Flower and Flower, and today I just wanted to. I'm going to be out here in the garden. I'm just going to do some gardening and some weeding. But I was up here in this area that um, I have plans for in the future. I want to make this into a shade garden. Right now, it's embarrassing. It's in terrible shape. But I brought my husband out here with a camera because I wanted to show you some wins and some fails with weed block. So last year when my son was out here, we weeded this whole area and we put down weed block. And I ran out of this stuff right here. And this is a win. So we bought some professional grade weed block and we put it down and it worked really great. I have had this down for about a year. Over here we ran out and I didn't buy more because I had this. But you can see this pulled up. It didn't do well at all. It let light through, and so the weeds kind of grew up through it. I also had this other black thin weed block that just completely disintegrated. And weeds, you can't see them now because I actually have been out here weeding, but here's more of it up here that just disintegrates. Like you can't, it doesn't hold up at all. It's shredding. So it's worth it to buy the expensive stuff because this, like I said, it's been a year and it was really effective. And now I just have to come back and put more down, and I'll take another video and show you how I do it. And today I'm going to go ahead and do some weeding underneath my one of my avocado trees. Here's a view of the immense amount of weeds that grow underneath this tree. And just so you know, I've been out here probably 5 times in the last year and completely cleared it out. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it out, and I'm going to try to buy some mulch to help to suppress the weed growth under the tree. But I just wanted to show you this tree, and this is what I'm going to be working on today. This tree has already been picked pretty much, but I do see a beautiful avocado down here. So this is going to come in the house. It should start, we did get some flowers already on the tree, and I see babies already growing up here. Oh, there's another avocado right here. In case you guys don't know, avocados do not ripen on the tree. You have to pick them. So they'll stay on if you're not ready to use them, you can keep them on the tree until quite a while, several months. And that's the best way to keep them so that they don't ripen on you. But I always need avocados. But here's an example of the tree with the babies. See, very gentle. So there's babies all over this tree. So as long as the weather cooperates, we should have a good harvest on this tree next year. The heat is usually the main reason why we don't have a good harvest. When the tree when it gets too hot, like in the triple digits for too long, they'll drop all of their fruit in order for the tree to survive, and it just really burns the tree. So anyways, this is a look at what we call our personal tree because it's in our back area, and this is the one that we picked for ourselves, and the rest of them we usually sell. Okay, so I'm weeding underneath this tree, and there's lots of grass growing here. The weeds come out really easy, and I'm able to get usually most of the roots on the grass. The soil is really nice, guys. If you want to take a close-up of the crop. And the reason the soil is so great is because it's got years and years of leaves falling on it. So that's why I can't put the fabric down. I wanted to put fabric down, but then I thought that's not going to be a good solution. So really what I'm going to do is get the mulch for it. But it's beautiful soil, and it's dark and rich, and that's why the weeds like it so much. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue to weed under here, and I'll show you how it looks when I'm done. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes and you can see that all the weeds are gone. This was all being hand pulled by my husband and I. And so now we have all of these weeds, all of these, all of those there to dispose of. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all of the weeding done and now I'm just gonna clean off my path here. I'm gonna use my DR blower. It's awesome, guys. Watch this. Okay, so now that I've blown off the path, got a little bit more weeding to do. See you in the next one. Bye.